Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Precipice of Truth Abyss puzzle in Crimson Desert. First thing you need to do is walk up to this laser orb thing and aim your axiom towards it. Once it opens, release your axiom and it should destroy the orb, turning it into an energy cube. Grab this energy cube and take it with you all the way at the end of this narrow path. On your right, you can place this cube on top of this small podium. This will remove the barrier from this section right here. Grab the battery and place it in front of the socket right at the edge on the right. Before doing anything else, make sure you stand on this platform for a few seconds to activate the Abyss Nexus. Now go back to the battery, stand in front of it, then force palm. This should force it into the socket, turning the updraft fan on right across us. Glide towards that fan and land on this platform. If you look to your right, you'll see the same thing we destroyed earlier. Do the same thing here, grab it, then place it anywhere near the door above where you can reach it. Now head to that door, grab the thing again, and place it on this spot. You'll be able to grab and pull out the square piece on our right. Place it anywhere near the platform to our left where we can reach it. Now head to that said platform, grab the square piece, then align it to the square socket. Stand in front of it, jump once. Force palm, glide, then force palm again. This should force the square piece into the socket. Now we need to head on that platform to the right of the waterfall. Make your way there, and once you're there, you'll see the attacking orb again. Destroy this orb. Grab the piece. Move it through this hole behind you. Place it anywhere in that direction. Now let's move a bit so we can grab the thing again and place it anywhere near that platform where we can reach it. Glide to the said platform. Grab the energy thing again and place it on top of this piece. Now we can take the square piece inside, take the square piece out, then place it anywhere near this platform. Move to that platform, grab the square piece, then align it to the socket right above. Stand in front of it, jump once, force palm, glide, then do a force palm again. Now the two big fans at the front are working, pointing towards the giant dial. Make your way to the dial. Place yourself anywhere near the center, then do a force palm. A cutscene will trigger, meaning that you solved the puzzle. You can climb up and claim your reward. If you follow the floating path behind, this should lead you to the sky bridge for the next puzzle area. But you need to solve other nexus near the area to be able to proceed, which is the Abyss Gate on top of the Spire of Insight. We have a video on this channel for the solution for the Spire of Insight and its Abyss Gate, so make sure to check it out. And that is how to solve the Precipice of Truth Abyss puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.